Hallo julle, my naam is Lizelle en ek is so bly julle is vandag by Beleef Kids. Ons gaan vandag iets baie spesiaal leer. Onthou julle, Jesus is gekruisig, hy het opgestaan uit die dood uit en toe het hy aan sy disippels verskyn. Maar toe sê hy vir hulle, hy moet nou teruggaan hemel toe. Maar hy beloof ook dat ons nooit alleen sal wees nie. Kom ons kyk gou na hierdie volgende video oor wat Jesus vir ons beloof het. Kom ons kyk gou saam.
Stories of the Bible. Jesus goes to heaven. This is Jesus.
Heyo!
Jesus is the Savior of the world and the Son of God. While Jesus was on earth, he taught everyone about God's love. He healed many people from their sickness, performed many miracles like calming storms, and even raised people from the dead.
Wahoo!
But some people did not like what Jesus was doing, and they put him to death. He died on a cross and was buried in a tomb. For 3 days, Jesus' body laid in that tomb, and it seemed that there was no hope. But very early on Sunday morning, the woman who cared for Jesus went to go visit his body, found that his tomb was empty and that he was no longer there. For he was risen. He was alive.
Woohoo! Huh? Heyo! Rah!
And then for the next 40 days, Jesus appeared to his disciples and many others and showed